Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Congratulations on yesterday. Bitcoin hitting 57,000. My Bitcoin trade is now $125,000 in the profits. Cubic is up 40 times since I bought it. My $5,000 buy of Cubic, I think I got more of it actually, but every 5,000 that you bought on May, remember when I was in Santorini in Greece, every $5,000 of Cubic bought when I was in Santorini in Greece is now worth $330,000. Cubic went up more than 40 times, so it's even higher. I think yesterday it pumped another 10 or 20%. So congratulations everyone. Every $5,000 put into Cubic when I bought it back in Santorini from the miners is now worth $330,000. $5,000 to $330,000. And Bitcoin, we were buying it at 16K. Remember? Wow, amazing everyone. Tesla, Google, Bitcoin, amazing. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I'm going to show you Bitcoin, TA, I'm going to show you Cubic, I'm going to show you the overall markets, and I'm going to show you in the Telegram, the gurus are making so massive gains. As I always do, I'm so happy that I've made so many multi-millionaires. Congratulations to all of you. I'm so blessed that I get to help hundreds of thousands of you. And it's very beautiful. And I get so good karma for this, I feel. My life, I'm the happiest person ever. I have the best life ever. Thank you all so much for letting me help you and me getting rewarded in such a great way. And I'm glad that I get to see so many of you financially free. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. And Doge pumped as well. Congratulations everyone who bought Doge. If you followed my videos, we were buying Doge at 0.05. So we're up 100% on Doge since we bought it, everyone. And I think Doge is, I'm still waiting. I'm not selling any of my Doge until the top of the market. I'm going to get out of everything, or until Elon Musk tweets. 86% on Doge. But you can see here, we have a massive accumulation on Doge. Wait, I need to jump into Bitcoin, but I just want to... Here, this area here is a massive accumulation of Doge. Massive accumulation. Look at the volume down there. The price hasn't been going anywhere, but look at this accumulation area. Do you understand what this means, everyone? The base of Doge now is 0.05, and it's building pressure here. Massive pressure. Wow. I'm going to buy more Doge, but I think Doge is going to pump like crazy. I have a lot of everything already. My Bybit account... Remember, I started this account on 150,000 a few months ago, mid last year, 150,000. Now 690,941 US dollars, 690,000. But if you actually interesting, if you remember, I started that account on 150,000 when Bitcoin was around 15,000. I had 8 or 9 Bitcoin. Now I have 12 Bitcoin in this account and 690,000. Most of my positions here have just been Bitcoin. My Bitcoin trade now is $127,933 in the profits. 1,035% on this Bitcoin trade. 1,035%, which is amazing. Let's jump into Bitcoin, and then I'm just going to show you the Telegram quickly because there's too many... so many people made gains, and congratulations. Weekly second to third wave is in effect. We are close to my 61K target that I've been saying for a long time. We smashed through 55K a lot quicker than I thought. But here is a big area of heavy resistance. But we're just going through the resistances. We're not even stopping at 55,900 was a major area of resistance. And we just walked through it yesterday. We're gonna zoom in. So now you're seeing each candle on Bitcoin is on the hourly charts. So each of these candles represents 1 hour, and you can see Bitcoin just ate through the 55K 900 resistance. Just walked through it. It's not even getting stopped. It's getting stopped. It destroyed the 49K resistance. 49K resistance was a major area of resistance for the entire 2020 bull market, and we just walked through 49. 59K was a major area of resistance for the entire bull market. Look at that. These two areas are the major areas of main resistance. And Bitcoin just walked through the 49K. So what do you think it's going to do, in my opinion? What do you think it's going to... My target has been 61K, guys. Who remembers when I drew my Elliott wave count? We had the first Elliott wave count, which was down here, which I completed, if you remember. Who remembers when I drew this Elliott wave count back in Monday, October 23rd, 16th of October, I drew this Elliott wave count. Who remembers this? This was the second Elliott wave count of this bull run. Who remembers the first off the bottom? That was the first Elliott wave count we had. If you remember my counts, this is the second one. Who remembers when I was saying 60K, 61K, when Bitcoin was at 30 something or 29,000? And look where we are. Everyone thought I was crazy. By the way, everyone thought I was crazy with the OKX 10K challenge. Remember when I started that OKX 10K challenge in Egypt a few months ago? It's now at 30,700, from 10K to 30,700. Because I mainly, on all my accounts, I mainly was heavy long on Bitcoin. In this position, I opened with $1,400 margin. I've got $18,600 profit on Bitcoin. Now my Bitcoin trade is 53,000 because Bitcoin price is going up. And I bought World. I put 2,000 in World, which is now 5,600, which is beautiful. And World corrected a lot actually the last few days. Doge is Bitcoin pumping, weekly volume coming in. Nothing is stopping. No volume drops. The daily volume, yes. What I'm mainly looking for, everyone, this is the main thing that I am now looking for on Bitcoin. The main thing now, I am looking for the top of Bitcoin, the day of the top. What happened on the day of the top in 2021? Who remembers when I called November 2021, 11th of November 2021, I called the day of the top on Bitcoin? What was the same things? Everyone was euphoric. Champagne bottles were popping. We were screaming 69,000. Whoa! Everyone at parties was screaming. Everyone was calling us and asking us about Bitcoin. Everyone was painting. All the famous people started painting their nails different. And the same in 2017 bull top. They paint this Katy Perry painted her nails different cryptocurrencies. Women started releasing songs about Bitcoin. All these funny different songs about Bitcoin. This is what happened in 2017, 2021 bull market tops. We were popping champagne. Everyone was celebrating. Everyone was going crazy. Yesterday, no one talked about Bitcoin. I was at a party yesterday. Not one person talked about Bitcoin. So I know the top's not in. Something else the day of the top. I was in the financial summit in Dubai on November 11, 2021, the day of the top. And that was because how did I call that top? The volume was dropping and every single financial analyst, all the best, that was $10,000 a ticket, $10,000 plate ticket. And it was like 30 or 40 of the best finance people in the entire world, some really OGs, some OG traders, some really amazing financial people from around the world, and they were all extremely bullish on that day while the volume was dropping, while Bitcoin was hitting new all-time highs. Everyone was telling me how they think Bitcoin is going to 100K on that day. That's how I knew to get out. None of those signs are taking place. Yesterday, no one mentioned Bitcoin. No one popped any champagne bottles. No one screamed the price. Volume is increasing. Not every financial analyst is not saying. Now they're starting to say, everyone's starting to say 100K, Bitcoin's going up forever. They're starting to say, and that's why I think 60K is going to be close to our top on this third wave. And then a big correction, but now my correction worst case scenario is 50K. Everyone, if we keep moving up to that 60K and we have this Elliott wave pullback 3 to 4, worst case scenario, in my opinion, comes to 50K. Volume increasing. I'm mainly watching the volume bigger than it's been in a very long time, actually. As long as the volume keeps increasing, I'm still bullish. We've got hammer candles going up. Bitcoin, if you're lucky, can pull back to the daily, but I don't think so. The support at 55,900 that it ate through is one of a very massive support. And again, Bitcoin is eating through these supports, everyone. So that was a massive support at 49K. At 55,900 was a massive resistance, and Bitcoin just walked through it. The same at 49K, massive area of resistance, which I showed you on the longer term time frames. You can see again here, these two areas of massive resistance, and Bitcoin just kind of walked through it from the 21. Oh, it doesn't hold the rectangles, but remember, this area was massive resistance, these blue lines, and this area was massive resistance. This is a very strong one where we are now. That's why I think we can get, when we hit 60K, I think we can get a pullback back to, but I think it's going to do this, really. I'm not seeing the biggest pullback is the third to fourth wave, but I'm just seeing so much strength on this Bitcoin, but just smashing through these resistances, volume increasing. As what we're looking for, again, I'm looking for this volume to go down. So yesterday we had a massive spike on Bitcoin from 52,000 to 58,000, but volume went up. I'm looking for the price to spike on Bitcoin and volume to go down. That's what will tell me the top is in, and that's when I liquidate my cubic, my OKX positions, my Bybit positions, my 1000. That's when I'll close this. Also, my Bitcoin trade, it depends also on this funding fee. Now 0.02. Yesterday it hit 0.08. So it went from costing me $100 a day to keep my 400, 300 something thousand Bitcoin trade, almost $400,000 Bitcoin trade. It cost me $100 a day. Yesterday it started costing me $800 a day. Now it's back to $300 a day. So the funding fee dropped off. My Bitcoin trade 127,633, 1,033%, and I already took 9,500 realized. So it's $136,000 profit on this trade. This account is now 690,000. In the last month, we went from 501,000 to 690,000. So far this month, I made 190,000. This week, I was at 604,000, now 690,000. This week, I made $86,000. So if you think I'm getting you to follow me, to buy my courses, to sell you some shit, you have no idea who I am, and you have not been following me for 4 years, because this is my money. I can transfer it everywhere I want. I can spend directly from my Bybit card. This is my money that I've traded up. I can spend it directly from my Bybit card. You can see here, this is my card connected to my account, and I can spend, and let's see how much I've spent. Let's see how much, but if I turn it on, will it show? Let's see if it shows. Okay, my spending power, because I haven't moved, one account is spot, one is the funding. So I need to move them. So it's using this, it uses this funding as the spending. The spot is what I'm holding on my tokens. These are the actual cryptos that I really hold in Bybit. And this is derivatives. This is my Bitcoin long. And you can see that I've been spending in the last, card. Where is the card button? Card, you can see that I spent in the last daily limit. I didn't spend anything this morning at sunrise. This month I've spent 4,700 euro. 4,700 euro from this card. Yearly, so far I've spent 5,000. I just started using this card really at the last. Actually, I spent more than that. Daily withdrawals, yearly ATM withdrawal, monthly. I think it's not taking into account. I don't know, but I've spent more from this card. I need to check this. I can see the transactions there, but you can see I've spent $5,000, or this month I've spent $4,700 from my $690,000. That is up from 150. So even though I made 690,000 this month, I made 180 whatever thousand. I spent $4,700 of this money. Also, to do everything, everyone, under the video, go down below. One is the exchanges that I use. Bybit is my favorite. Number one, $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading clients. That's the link. 2 is the course. Take the crypto master course to learn all this, and I highly recommend all of you take the course. And again, if you think I'm trying to sell you a $300 course for my financial gain, I want to again show you. If you think I'm trying to sell you this $300 course for my financial gain and for me, again, this is my trading account where I can spend directly 690,000 USD, or if we change it, or 1 million Australian dollars, or whatever currency you get people like, euro, 636,000 euro, or rubles, 63 million rubles. It was 15, or whatever the currencies. Show me some currencies, people. Let's check out ZAR. I don't even know what that is. 13 million ZAR. Thai baht, 24 million Thai baht, and this account was 150,000, now 690,000. This month it's up from 501,000 to 600. So everyone, go under the video. 1 is the exchanges. Bybit gives you this bonus once you meet their trading requirements. 2 is the courses. Take them all for your own benefit. There's more than 10,000 students taking my courses now. It's a massive university, and we're going to turn it into a university, by the way. And Telegram, now 9,000 traders. And inside the Telegram, everyone is going crazy. Look at this, everyone. This is this morning. 2,900% on Bitcoin. These are my students. 3,186% on Bitcoin. Look at everyone. Rocket, 124%, 357%. These are the gurus inside the Telegram. Congratulations to you, Billy Stokes. Crazy gains. Fire. And anyone who's been, look at this. Look, I just want to show you quickly. 16. This is 440. This is this morning. It's sunrise. It's like 7 a.m. I've been making a long video today, and this is this morning. This is sunrise. This is sunrise, and it's just, right now there's 106 of you online. Comment down, everyone, after you watch my video, comment in here and congratulations. And our community is growing so massive. Everyone be careful, protect the community, protect the other gurus. Don't send it, never give anyone access to your wallets. if you're getting private messages from me, they're making fake accounts non-stop of me. It's not me. Love you all, everyone. Don't DM me. I do this warning a lot, and I have to keep doing it because there's just so many people, so many fake accounts being created of me. Every day my team is deleting these. Every day they're being created. They're private. Anyone reading this, if you are speaking to me in private messages, it's 100% a fake scammer account and not me. I really need to keep saying that, everyone. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.